What's up, guys? It's Ryan Small again at Winning with Ryan on social media. Today is December 30th, 2017. So heading into the new year, I've been getting questions about what cryptocurrencies am I looking at that aren't as hyped up, for example, as a Bitcoin or Ethereum. So heading into 2018, I decided to make a quick video on which cryptocurrencies am I looking at that are undervalued. So let's dive into it. Right now, I'm on coinmarketcap.com, and coming in at number 20, you have Verge, which right now is just over 2 million market cap, and you could get one for, I believe, 13 cents at the moment. Yeah, so 13 cents. And you can see it's been down 17% since yesterday. Can't really pay too much attention to that because it's a very volatile market. So more importantly, let's come do a little research. Of course, you guys are going to have to do your own research. I'm just trying to show you guys the information. So first one, Verge is a secure and anonymous cryptocurrency built with a focus on privacy. And then come down, you have our mission statement. And then you have an about Verge. You can see Verge currency is a cryptocurrency designed for everyday use. It improves upon the original Bitcoin blockchain and aims to fulfill its initial purpose of providing individuals and businesses with a fast, efficient, and decentralized way of making direct transactions while maintaining personal privacy. So something like that, where it has, some type of privacy, is very secure. You don't want people seeing your transactions, stuff like that. I feel like this is catering to those people. And then for something that's only 13%, for something that's only 13 cents, is very accessible. You can see all the exchanges that it's listed on. So for something that's small, you always wanted to have accessibility, because if the people can access it, then it doesn't really have a great chance of it, gaining value in the future. So this one has a lot of backing. So expect this to hit $5 to $10 possibly in the future. And then let's move on to the next one. Gbpjpy. So yeah, this is the graph. You can see price started down here at like cents, and then ever since then it's been moving in an uptrend. Pull up, small retracement, pull up, retracement, pull up. So now this is possibly the retracement before it makes the next pull up. So now let's drive our Fibonacci retracement from this low up to this high. You can see price made this long wick as a spike, giving us indication that this is going to be a critical area. And you can see that price pulled down here, came back up, and then found support at the 78.6 retracement perfectly. And then from there, it gave us a bullish engulfing back above. And then now we got price finding support. So you can also draw trend lines possibly from here out to this point. And then you could draw a counter trend line from the top to the second lower high point. And then just like that, you got this bullish engulfing, price rests on top of the trend line. You got a break above, and then now it's looking like price is possibly finding support above the trend line. So now you can potentially see price find support in this area, which would give us a good buy entry. And I expect it to hit 50 cents to $1 pretty soon. So that's my analysis on Verge. So let's move on to the next one. So the next one I've been looking at for a while now is called Komodo. And right now, Komodo is outside the top 30 at 32, shy of 1 million market cap at 900,000. And right now, you could get one for $8.71, $8.98. So it's just under $9. I believe a few weeks ago it was over $12. So this is just the retracement phase, in my opinion. And Komodo is important because it's acting as a Swiss Army knife. It's not just doing one simple thing. It's not like Ethereum or like Bitcoin is doing multiple of those different things into one. So something like that is, for sure important. You guys could come here and look at the website, do your research. Let's move on to the graph. Or the charts, I should say. So yeah, all right. Price was down here for a while now, below or around $1, and then now you started seeing bullish momentum pull up, a small uptrend. Price made highs around $14, so that's when the price made the highs. So now I'm going to start it from this low, my Fibonacci retracement, up to this high. Price pulled down, hit my 61.8 retracement, found support. So now this could potentially be the area of find support, or you can see price possibly find support around the $6 to $5 range before possibly hitting $15 to $20. So that's Komodo. So let's move on to the next one. Next one I've been looking at for a little bit is Ethereum Classic. So it has over 2 million market cap. Right now it's at $27. You guys can come here. So Ethereum Classic, in theory, Bitcoin is the main one, and then Bitcoin Cash is like the sidekick to it for now. And I feel like Ethereum to Ethereum Classic is going to be the same type of thing. Ethereum is the main one, and the Ethereum Classic is like the subpar one for now. We don't know which one could potentially in the future. Bitcoin Cash could be more profitable than Bitcoin. We don't really know at this point, but it's good to kind of invest into both of them, especially since Ethereum right now is above $700 and Ethereum Classic is only at $20. So Ethereum Classic already made highs around $40. So if it were to break highs, I could see it hitting, $50 to $100. But you guys can come down to the website, and then at the bottom of the website, it has actually like a timeline showing you like all the main events of Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, anything that had to do with it. So you guys can come look at this, come down, just keep scrolling. And then they also have better information also, why Ethereum Classic, come look at all this other stuff. And if it guys fit you, you guys can make the investment. I'm not telling you to, but it's just something that I'm looking at. And then let's move on to the graphs. So ETC. So as you can see, it started down here around cents, and then now it's been in a nice little uptrend. So you can see this part right here is going to be a key area around here. And then you also got a key area at this bottom point. And then it made highs above here around 42. So you can grab a fib from this low up to this high and possibly see a retracement down towards 20, anywhere from $20 to $15 possibly. So something like, grab this arrow. So something either like that, or it could potentially fall and find support here. And then once we get a confirmation of it finding support, we'll look for it to go from there back up. Back up. So yeah, I can see this for sure hitting above $50 in the near future, especially because it's already showing me that it's moving an uptrend. We're just waiting for it to form that new higher low to take it to make a new higher high and break the new highs at $42. So yeah, once these highs get broken, then I have to reevaluate. But right now, it's giving us a good retracement. I would wait for it to possibly hit that $21 to $20 range before entering. But it can also fall down towards like $15 to $12. So just something to look out for. All right, let's move on. So another one I've been looking at is electronium. So right now, electronium down 7% since yesterday at 7 cents, and the market cap is what 300,000, 374,000. So you guys could, oh man, wrong one. Come to the website. You guys can see Electronium, the mobile cryptocurrency, simple to use, powered by an app. So for me, evolution went like this, to where your grandparents listened to the radio, your parents watched television, and now we're going through the cell phone phase, to where this is where we look at and get our information. So something like this is catering for people with a cell phone. And also, this is one of the UK's first cryptocurrencies. So if you know anything about the UK is pretty big on trading and stuff like that. So for them to finally come out and get a part of this cryptocurrency movement, something like this could, be one of the first big cryptocurrencies out of the UK. So trying to get in while it's below 10 cents would be a great entry price. And it's so new, it doesn't actually have charts on TradingView, so I can't even go to the charts. But if you guys do your research and see the pros of Electronium, you guys for sure will probably move towards investing whatever, even if it's a little bit into it. So, and then after Electronium, you have let's see. So another one I've been looking at is Vertcoin, 260,000 market cap. Right now it's at $6. It's down 12% since yesterday. So Vertcoin is pretty cool. You can see Vertcoin is a decentralized currency owned by its users, and it's called the People's Coin. So guys can come look and see what is Vertcoin. It's designed to resist centralization, specifications, and stuff like that. Has a bunch of information, and then right here it has all the little perks it's going to do, different from other cryptocurrencies. So I could see, a little upside with this, and then more importantly, go look at the actual graph. I don't know why I keep calling it a graph today. It's called the charts, but whatever. I'm gonna live today. So yeah, start from this low up to this high possibly, and then now we're getting our retracement. So this may not be the actual low. I need to kind of wait a little bit longer, but overall prices already made highs around $12. So I could see this falling possibly around $5. So anywhere from $5, $6 to $5 is a good entry price, and then look for it to possibly break these highs above $11. So coming towards 12 to 15. And then the last one that I actually just invested into not too long ago is NXT. And right now it's just over 500,000 market cap. You could get one for 51 cents, 59 cents now. Come to the website. You guys can see NXT. NXT is an advanced blockchain platform in which builds on NXT is an advanced blockchain platform which builds on and improves the basic functionality of pioneering cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Then has other little things you guys can come look at. So this right here is something potentially that can be good. So what I would say with NXT, for me, I found out this has a lot of similarities to NIM. So if you guys looked on market cap, you can see that NIM is top 10 right here at number 8 with over 8 million market cap. So and you can see NIM is under $1. So NIM is also a good one to buy, but NXT right now has a little bit more upside. So you guys can just come look and do your own research on the differences between the two. So NXT on the charts, NXT USD right here. Wow. That would happen when I'm on this video. That never happens. That's what's funny. So anyway, let's get back to it. All right, so NXT USD. The internet hating on me, guys. They not trying to let me get this content out for you. I'm making too many people money. They don't want to see you guys win. They trying to stop me. All right, so you're going to start it from this low up to this high. And then you can see that price already made highs around $2, but like around last week. So it already made highs at $2, which is pretty important. And then now it shot down pretty quick around 51 cents. So while it was making that drop, a lot of people were scared. People were selling. I seen a lot of craziness. But for me, price made highs. This is just a retracement. If it doesn't break this 4 cent phase, then I'm still good. So right now it's at 50 cents. Anywhere from 50 to 30 cents is a good buying range. So anywhere around here is a great buying opportunity, and then you can look to take it back above $2. So that's just my long-term vision on NXT. So I gave you guys Verge, Electroneum, Komodo, Ethereum Classic, Vertcoin, and NXT. These are my cryptocurrencies that I feel like are undervalued heading into 2018. My next video is going to be on my top 5 cryptocurrencies under $1. So if you haven't subscribed, click subscribe at the bottom. And have a happy new year. Today is what, December 30th? Yeah, so I'll be going to Vegas. I'll look to make that video probably the first week of January, so look out for that. And also I'll be making a Telegram group for specifically cryptocurrency. So if you're interested in that, send me a direct message on Instagram at Winnick with Ryan, letting me know you're interested. So, yep. Look forward to talking to you guys possibly the first or second week of January. Happy New Year, and let's make this next year profitable.